Here in this video, we are solving a problem basing on concept of expansion of solids. Let us see what is the problem is. A copper rod of length 88 centimeter and aluminum rod of unknown length have increased in their lengths independent of increase in temperature. Let's try to understand what's the meaning of that is. There is one rod that is mm, copper rod, the copper rod. There is another rod that is aluminum rod. Their lengths are not same, they are different. Copper rod of length 88 centimeter, aluminum rod of unknown length L2. I don't know that, right? The increase in their length. So what happens to the increase in their length when you raise the temperature? When temperature is raised, each rod increases. Increase in the length is basing on the definition of alpha L delta T. Is independent of temperature. What does that means? Whatever may be the delta T is, delta L has to be the same. The given condition is for given delta T, delta L has to be same. That means what? What's the meaning of that? Increase in the length of the first rod shall be equal to the increase in the length of the second rod with respect to the rise in the same temperature for both the rods. In the place of delta L1, basing on the definition of alpha, I can write alpha 1 L1 delta T equal to alpha 2 L2 delta T, assuming we are raising the temperature same for both of them. Then you got alpha 1 L1 equal to alpha 2 L2, or alpha 1 by alpha 2 equal to L2 by L1, or alpha is inversely proportional to length. That's the relation, that one is one with a higher alpha. See the given alphas for you. Alpha of aluminum is 2.2 into 10 power minus 5. Of the copper is 1.7 into 10 power minus 5. It's very clear that what's given for you is alpha of aluminum is greater than alpha of copper. That means length of aluminum shall be less than length of the copper as per this relation. The length of aluminum is length of copper is already given for you. Length of aluminum is how much we have to find out. So basing on this relation I can write alpha of aluminum and length of aluminum alpha into L equal to alpha of copper and length of copper. Let us substitute that data. Alpha of aluminum is given for you as 2.2 into 10 power minus 5. Length of aluminum I have to find out, equal to alpha of the copper as 1.7 into 10 power minus 5. Length of the copper is 88. This minus 5 and minus 5 cancels. So length of aluminum is 1.7 into 88 by 2.2. So this can be equated as 17 into 88 by 22. 11 2s and 11 8s are 88. So 17 into 8 by 2, right? So 7 5s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 8 1s are 8. 8 and 5 is 13. 136 by 2, that is 68 centimeter. So the answer for the problem is 68 centimeter. So to solve this problem, you need to know one important concept, that for the increase in the length to remain constant, alpha is inversely proportional to L. Once if you know that concept, solving the problem is not at all difficult yet. Right? That's how we are supposed to solve the problem. That's it. Thank you for watching.